Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you for day 2 of the 12 days of Christmas. I'm going to make another tag, and I think I'm probably just going to do tags because they're quick and easy, and my schedule's kind of busy, so I want to put something up every day, and tags are going to be probably the easiest thing I can do. So again, just like the first one, I used the Crealies dies, and this is CNLELT09. And I use the second biggest in this set here. And then the paper pad that I use to make that is a Hot Buy paper pad from Michaels, and it is called Holiday Bash. And in case you missed the video yesterday, this was the tag that I made in yesterday's video, and I will leave you a link down below so you can check that one out. So again, just like this one, I pulled some items from my stash so I didn't have to buy anything new. And I had some of this tinsel ribbon. I have many colors of it. I have had it for a long time, and as well as this little photo mat frame. It's a sticker, and this is very old too from my collection of not junk, but let's just say collection of stuff. And then this cute little wreath, and then I have these cute little buttons right here, and I figured I can incorporate them. And then I wanted something shiny, so I had this clover, and I'm going to actually use part of this for my background. So I went ahead and I pre-inked my edges with some green ink, and it's just a color box ink. And let's go ahead. I'm going to glue it with Dries Clear Art Glitter Glue. So let's get started. And my glue tip is stuck. Well, that's just nice. Let's see. Alright, let's see. There we go. The problem with this stuff is you just have to leave the cap off for like just seconds, and it dries on that tip because the metal tip on the top is so tiny. It doesn't take much. I'm going to go ahead and press all that down. And now I want to add this, so I'm going to figure out where first. And I kind of like it. I don't want the stem part. So maybe go off the side. Maybe something like that. So also I'm going to go ahead and glue this on. I'm not going to worry about the glue too much on this piece, just because everything else I put on it, it's going to take and adhere it down better anyway. So I think I'm going right here. Now I want to cut it off. So I'm going to go ahead and just slice it down. And this side here where I'm cutting is where that tinsel garland's going to go. So I'm not too worried. I'm going to get it as straight as I can, but I'm not going to be overly worried about it. I love how that green looks on there. So then I got this cute little place photo here sticker. Now I thought that this originally you could slide the picture in, but it's not. It's sealed all the way around, so I guess this specific one is meant to cut a little picture out and stick it in after. So I'm going to go ahead, and because this is old from my stash, I'm just going to add some extra glue to it. Oops, shoot, I forgot. I wanted to put my tinsel on first. Can't forget that, because my photo mat goes underneath it. Alright, and then I'm just going to cut off the excess. That, and then now I can put this on. So put that there. Really cute. I like how the green's just peeking out from the back. And then now I want to add this little wreath. So I kind of also challenged myself in this 12 days of 12 days of Christmas to just use stuff from my stash and not go buy anything new. Only because I already have so much stuff that it's silly just to go buy something when I've already got a ton. So now, because these are little buttons, I'm going to use hot glue on these. So I found this cute snowman. Stick him on. Oh, and then I got these little holly leaves. I wanted to add these to the corners of my little photo. I thought that would jazz that up a little bit. And then my little deer, he's going to go there. And these little guys are so cute. I have a huge box of buttons that I've collected over the years. So I like to use them whenever possible because they're so cute. And I have probably 1,000 of them. Anyway, there is the cute little tag. And I'll post pictures so you can see better pictures of it. I think it came out really cute. So now I have these two. Anyway, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe. And I will be back tomorrow with day 3. Alright, happy crafting, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye!